Last week, I stepped away, not to disappear, but to breathe. To celebrate my husband's birthday, to sit still with the people I love, to be somewhere quiet enough to hear my own thoughts again. We went to Yellowstone. It snowed 25 degrees in the middle of June. I wasn't ready for the cold. I didn't bring the right clothes. I thought this would be a sunny, cozy break. I didn't rush into filming. I waited, and when the sun finally came out, I carved. I don't know what I'm doing. This was only the second time I have ever tried carving, but that's what I wanted to try. To make something organic, to see where the tool led me. No plan, no measurements, no perfection, just wood, motion, and time. These days, time feels harder to come by. My full-time job takes the biggest part of my energy, and what's left doesn't always make it to my workbench. I miss creating. I miss the rhythm of building with no rush, of making something with purpose. I have been trying to grow this YouTube channel for years now, hoping quietly and then not so quietly that maybe one day this could be my job, that I could wake up and create for a living, that the effort, the hours, the trial and error would finally click. But growth has been slow. Slower than I expected, slower than I hoped. And I have questioned a lot. Maybe I'm not cut out for this. Maybe it's not meant to be. But even on the days when I feel tired, I still feel called to build. Even if it's just this, a quiet carving, a soft film, a small moment that lets me breathe again. The truth is, I have shifted my video style so many times, trying to find what works, what people want. But somewhere in that process, I started losing the joy. I was creating for views, not for peace. So I decided to return to that, peace. This video won't teach you how to carve. I don't even know how. I'm not here to impress you. It's just what it looks like when someone tries. Try to slow down, trying to reconnect, trying to heal. You won't see every step here because I didn't plan any. If something in this made you pause, made you smile, made you feel like a little less alone, I'm glad. Let me know. Not to tell me what I should do next, but just to say, I see it. I feel it too. I will keep building for love, for clarity, for rest, for the life I'm slowly carving, one moment at a time.